Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best doubt solving app, and today we are going to learn what is cell. All living organisms are composed of cells. All living organisms are composed of cells. All living organisms are composed of cells. Some are composed of a single cell. Some are composed of a single cell, and some are called unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms. While others like us composed of many cells, many cells are are called multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are capable of unicellular organisms are capable of first independent existence. Second, performing the essential functions of life. Performing the essential functions of life. Anything less than a complete structure of cell does not ensure independent living. Anything less than a complete structure of cell does not ensure independent living. Hence, cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Hence, cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms. First cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in Cork. First cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in Cork. So this is all about what is cell. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.